Hola! Today we're going to practice the word is in Spanish. There are two ways to say is. The first one, let's say it is a cat. Es un gato. It is a dog. Es un perro. It is a cow. Notice how this is a girl word, so you're going to say una. Es una vaca. And spider is a girl word. Ready? Es una araña. Muy bien. Now we're going to practice the second way of saying is. It's going to be inside. It's going to be somewhere inside the house. Let's practice inside first. Adentro. Let's do it one more time. Adentro. Muy bien. Now we're going to say the spider is inside. Remember that the first is was es. Es una araña. It is a spider. Now we're going to say the spider is inside. La araña está adentro. Your turn. La araña está adentro. Now the next one. La vaca está adentro. Your turn. La vaca está adentro. Muy bien. Now let's say the dog is inside. El perro está adentro. Listen one more time. El perro está adentro. Muy bien. And now the cat is inside. El gato está adentro. Let's do it one more time. El gato está adentro. Muy bien. Bravo. Adiós.